Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a clear picture of compound finance scam. Hope you all know that yesterday the compound finance closed and they rug pulled the people the money and run away from, I don't know whether they run away, but they rug pulled the people money, guys, with the name of compound finance. So hope you all know that, but you don't have any clarity on how they rug pull the people, and you don't have any much idea about that, right? Today I'll show you clear picture on that compound finance rug pull and with proof, guys. Okay, someone with us nearby, someone with us, that guy only who cheated this much of people, guys. I can understand that. Oh, you guys can to understand by watching the video fully, guys. Okay, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, yesterday nearby 7:30 p.m. that compound finance get closed, and I made a video also. And after that, you guys can check here. This is a screenshot. 152 BNB transferred to one wallet, guys. Okay, first of all the there is a BSC address which all the people for pre-sale, all the people transferring money to that wallet, guys. Okay, from that wallet, that rug pull guy transferred totally 150 BNB to his personal account, guys. Okay, this is the transaction of that one. And next one is nearby 7:30 to 8 o'clock. This is happened. So that's a timing of 44 minutes ago. And before that, this is the time that happened, the transaction time map in the UTC also, guys. Okay, so see here, transaction action 152 BNB BSC token hub, guys. Okay, guys, let's see here. This is the transaction chart. Okay, BSC address, this is address transferred 150 to BNB, guys. Finally the last transaction of that contract address, guys. So 150 to BNB transferred from that address to some other stolen wallet, guys. Okay, so right now we can see a clear proof on that. Okay, just come back, guys. This is our channel group. Right now we will get a clear picture on that, guys. Okay, guys, let's open the compound finance. Okay, compound finance group, guys. Okay, so let's open the compound finance group. So they have given to one address, right? They have given an address for buy BNB. Okay, for pre-selling, everybody is sending BNB to this address, guys. Okay, pre-sale open by BNB. There is a contract address, right? Just click on that. Okay, just click on that contract address and just go to BSC section. Just go to BSC scan and click the search the address. Okay, search by address, click on here, paste here and click on search, guys. Okay, by click on search, the transaction address page will be open, guys. Right now BNB value is $0.2 and you can check it here. Okay, see here is the last transaction, transfer out, guys. Okay, see here 14 hours 52 minutes ago this happened. BSC token last value is 152 BNB transferred from that all the people sending money to one account, right? From that account to they transferred this 152 BNB to some other account. They need to save this 150 BNB, right? So that they are transferring 152 BNB to some other account, guys. Okay, so this is happened. And finally, okay, 1 second, and this is happened, guys. Okay, so we can check by getting this address in trust wallet, guys. There is a good option. Okay, so this is the address all the people are sending money, guys. Already I made this. Copy this address, guys. Okay, go to trust wallet, right now. This is the wallet one. You can click here. This is the address all the people transferred BNB for pre-sale, guys. You guys, this is the trust wallet, all the people sending BNB to this address to join in pre-sale, guys. Okay, hope you all understand right now what I'm saying. This is the trust wallet. This is the trust wallet address. All the people are transferring BNB to join the pre-sale, guys. Okay, we can check here. Okay, this address only have 152 BNB from here only they transfer 150 to BNB to some other account for stolen, guys. Okay, so see here, all the people are transferring money. Yesterday this is all happened, guys. Up to how much we can see, you can see, guys. 0.05 BNB, 0.13 BNB, 0.005 BNB. Lot of people. Finally, somebody transferred 13 BNB, guys. He's the guy. He's the guy. 13 BNB he's transferred. We can check it right now with this address also, guys. Okay. So somebody, lot of people transferring money to join pre-sale in this compound finance, guys. Okay. So lot of people. Finally, after the pre-sale ends, the guy, cheated guy, transferred 150 to BNB to some other address for safety. Okay, guys, for safety, he transferred 150 to BNB to some other address, guys. You can ask how you get this kind of trust wallet information, guys. It's very easy. From settings, we can go to wallet option. We can click on this one, and click on, then I already have a wallet, and you have to click here smart chain. Okay, here lot of option: paste, key store, JSON, private key, address. If you have some other address, by clicking on this address, click on this address, guys. Okay, here if you paste the address, then import, give the import option, then this trust wallet will get open, guys. Okay, but you can't access the trust wallet, just you can see, that's it, guys. Okay, so this is what I got the trust wallet information. Okay, guys, let's check here. Okay, this is the address. Okay, this is the address 152 BNB. They transferred from here to some other address for safety, guys. Okay, and another one, this 152 BNB transferred to some other address, right? I will check right now, 1 second. Okay, this 152 BNB transferred to some other account. We can check that account right now. Okay, guys. Okay, I already import the wallet 2. Okay, this is the account, guys. Okay, this is the account. You can check here, smart chain. Click on smart chain. Yes, right now $94 only available, guys. Okay, transfer. I know this is the address of that cheated guy. Okay, he only transferred 13 BNB, guys. Okay, he only transferred 13 BNB from his address to believe the people, to make people full, guys. He only transferred 13 BNB by self. Okay, 13 BNB. See here, you can understand, 13 BNB to that address, and he cheated all the peoples, guys. Okay, so hopefully you can understand. From here also he made lot of transaction. He's transferring the BNB. He's having lot of money, guys. Okay, he's transferring lot of money. To some other lot of people accounts, guys. So that much that much of guy. So don't believe somebody who is near us. He only cheated, this kind of things, guys. Okay, so once more we can go to that trust wallet 1, guys. Okay, trust wallet 1. Okay, we can check. We need to check some other account, guys. Okay, right now you can see here. Okay, this is address. We need to copy 13 BNB who sent, right? We have to click here and copy this and import that wallet. Click here and add new wallet. I already have my wallet. Click on smart chain, then click to address, paste here, import. Okay, guys, if you import, your wallet will be added, guys. Okay, wallet will be added. Oh, this is the same address. Okay, yesterday before we checked, right? This is the same address, guys. Okay, so right now stolen everything got happened, guys. Okay, so don't believe these kind of things, guys. This is a wallet 1. From this only 152 BNB who stolen from the people, and they run away, guys. This is address of the scammer. You can't do anything because in crypto is with address, we can't find anything, right? So somebody who is near us, he only cheated. But some other YouTube channel people are telling 2403, some other channel is there, so he only doing this scamming things and all. So I don't know exactly who is it, but he's blaming that people only. Maybe I don't know exactly who is, but maybe there is an option too, because he is the guy who only promote this kind of project first of all. So maybe this should have happened, guys. Okay, so calm down, guys. Okay, guys. And this kind of wallets we can't make access. Example, you can check it. If you click on send option, this is watch wallet only, guys. You can't make any transaction because this is some other person wallet, right? With this transaction, you can't check with this transaction. You can check that. That's it, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. You can't do anything. They cheated and run away. That's it. So finally, be safe from this kind of scammers. So don't put your money in any other project like this, something like cheating people. So be safe, guys, and see you in another project. I don't know who did this, but I'm sure karma will work for that. And be strong, guys, those who lost the money, and will overcome. Okay, guys, thank you so much.